What is machine learning? Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I had worked very hard to produce this video. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence and computer science that focuses on the use of data and algorithms to imitate the way that humans learn, gradually improving its accuracy. It may be a little confusing, but don't get worried. We're going to try and simplify things and have fun along the way. As programmers, we often approach problems in a methodical, logic-based way. We try to determine what our desired outputs should be, and then create the proper rules that will transform our inputs into those outputs. Machine learning flips the script. We want the program itself to learn the rules that describe our data the best by finding patterns in what we know and applying those patterns to what we don't know. You see, machines or computers in this case are really good at certain things, right? Machines can perform tasks really fast. And we can control these machines and get them to do tasks for us, which is what programming is. We programmed computers. We give them instructions to do tasks, and they do it for us. You see, computers came into this world because it allowed humans to do certain tasks really fast. That may have required hundreds of workers before. And one of the main advantages of machines is it can run 24/7. Hold on. Am I going too fast? Did I miss something? Oh yes. Sorry history, I left you in the follow of going to the future. Before we look into the future, let's look into the history of computers. If we can answer the reason for inventing the computers, we may be able to explain why we are into machine learning. One of the main reasons is computers saved a lot of money. Yes. Computers saved companies lots of money instead of hiring lots of workers. Programmers are lazy. So they thought, let's make a machine that does our work, and let's binge an extra Netflix episode. And then the idea came. What if we could get the computer to do even more of our work? Work that we previously thought could only be done by humans. Like buying your groceries, doing your homework, cooking food for you. Wait, don't get excited. I was just kidding. We're not quite there yet. It is really too far. But we are trying to achieve that as fast as possible. And here comes the other question, can't we program it? To explain, if you have to create a program identifying the unripe fruit from our farm. So, as a programmer, you will type a code. And the machine will execute it. But, the next week you have chili harvest. And now you have to recode the whole machine according to chili. And exactly here is the place where machine learning comes into the game. Wouldn't it be great if we could actually teach the computer what a tomato is? What a chili is? To do that, you can't teach the machine a red and round-shaped vegetable is a tomato. Because all the red and round-shaped vegetable are not tomato. To do this, we need to process lots and lots of images. Like millions of images of tomatoes with all the different kinds, so finally the machine can differentiate between a ripened tomato and an unripe one. By providing labeled training data, we can slowly teach our computers. But this is just one of the applications of machine learning. We could have self-driving cars, voice recognition, robots, language processing, vision processing, recommendation search engines, translation services, stock price predictions. There are so many applications, and this is all because of machine learning. The goal of machine learning is to make machines act more and more like humans, because the smarter they get, the more they help us humans accomplish our goals. So, it's a long process. The computer makes a mistake, rectifies it, tries not to repeat the same mistake, then makes a new mistake, and it goes on. Day by day its accuracy increases, and one fine day it will be able to do whatever specific task it was asked to. So I hope you're now as excited as I am about machine learning. Let's get started.